We should write the standard form of quadratic equation first. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, the first step is what? We should divide. Divide the whole equation. Divide by a. I mean, how you will remember this? Divide by a, whatever the coefficient of x square is there, whatever the coefficient of x square, with that you will divide it. Okay, you will divide by what? You will divide by coefficient of x square. So when you divide by a, you will get x square plus b by ax plus c by a equals to 0. Anybody is having doubt? Anybody is having doubt? When you divide by a, this a and a will get cancelled, b by a will get, and here c by a. Right. So see here, if you divide by a, if you divide by a, if you divide by a, so this a and a will get cancelled, b by a and c by a. Understood? Next step is what? After this, we should multiply the coefficient of x, multiply coefficient of x with 1 by 2. No, they will not ask, Kiran. No. Okay. Multiply coefficient of x with 1 by 2. So the coefficient of x is b by a. The coefficient of x is what? B by a. So we should multiply that b by a with 1 by 2. This is the second step. So if you multiply, we'll get 1 into b, and 2 into a will get 2a. Okay. Okay. Next step. Then what we should do? We should take the square of that. B by 2a square of that we should take, and we should add it. Few things I will erase. Take this one here. And add b by 2a whole square to both sides. Add b by 2a whole square to both sides. We will write x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole square. To this side we added, okay. We added this side we added. Now we should add this side also. We should add this side. So what we will write? B by 2a whole square minus c by a. Correct? Now, simplification will do. So this is nothing but what, you know? This is nothing but a plus b whole square formula. This is nothing but what formula? A plus b whole square. A, this is a, and this is b. A plus b whole square. It is a perfect square. If you simplify this, x plus b by 2a whole square, you will get this only. Okay, this is called perfect square. A plus b whole square it is equal to this b square divided by 2a whole square. We will write 4a square. Square will come to this also, correct? Minus c by a. This will be as it is. Here we will take LCM. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? 4a square. LCM is 4a square. So multiply with 1 and here multiplication with 4a. So we will get b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now we will write x plus b by 2a whole square. Now we will shift this square as a square root. Now this square root we will shift as square root. Okay, this whole square we will shift as square root. We will get here whenever you shift square as square root, you just write plus or minus. Okay, b square minus 4ac whole divided by 4a square. So we will write x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by this root 4 means we'll get 2 and this root a square will get a. Now here root is not there. You can see here root is not there here. Here root 4a square was there. Here root was there. But now here root is not there. Because why? Because root 4 will get 2. Root a square will get cancelled, will get a. Okay. Next step. Now this b by 2a we will get this side. So we will get x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we will take the LCM of this 2a and this 2a. So the LCM is 2a only. So x is equal to LCM is 2a here into 1 and here also into 1. So what will get? Minus b plus or minus root of. This is the derivation. Understood? Let me explain once again. First you will write standard form. Then you will divide the whole equation with the coefficient of x square. Whatever the coefficient of x square is there, with that you will divide. So you will write divide by a. So if you divide by a whole equation, you will get x square plus b by ax plus c by a. This c by a, just get it this side. You will get x square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a. Okay. Now what you will do? You will multiply 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. You will multiply half with the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b by a. Coefficient of x is what? B by a. So you will multiply b by a with half every time. This is common procedure. So what you will get if you multiply? You will get b by 2a. So whatever you got b by 2a, square of that you should add it both sides. Add b by 2a whole square to both sides. LHS side and RHS side. Okay. Square of that we should add. Remember, square of that. First step is what? You will divide by a. Second step, you will multiply with 1 by 2 to the coefficient of x. So x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole square. I added this in LHS side. Now I will add in RHS side. Up to here, anybody is having doubt? Up to here, any doubt? Anyone can ask? Anybody having doubt? Up to you. This is anybody? No one. Okay. So this is a perfect square. This is the whole perfect square. Okay. It is a plus b whole square like. So I can write this is a plus b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is b is equal to b square divided by 2a square will get 4a square minus c by a. Now we should take right hand side LCM. Okay, Rekha, you can message whatever you doubt. LCM of this 4a square and a. Okay, 4a square and a. So the LCM is 4a square. You will multiply into 1 and you will multiply with 4a. So you will get b square minus 4ac. Here you will get x plus b by 2a whole square. So now Rekha is asking why we need to add b by 2a to both sides. I mean, see, the thing is that, so x plus b by 2a is equal to, whenever you shift the square, you will write plus or minus. B square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. This is whole under the root, okay? Whole under the root. Now, x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. This is not under the root now. Root 4 means we will get 2. Root a square means we will get a. Now you get this one here. X is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we will take LCM. What we will take? LCM. LCM of, we will take 2a LCM and 2a. What will come LCM of this? LCM is 2a only. Into 1 into 1. We will get minus b plus or minus root of. If anybody is having doubt, can go ahead. Actually, now you should do without seeing in your notes. Don't refer the screen. I mean, don't see the screen. Can you do without seeing? Can anyone is having that much power to do without seeing? 3 and 1 by 2 is the answer. Let's start. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of. If you want directly, you can write minus into minus plus 7, okay? This is minus and this minus. Minus into minus plus 7 directly also you can write. Yes, Krishna, Chetan, right answer, good. So b square now, b square is nothing but minus 7 square minus 4.